Hello all, hope you all doing great. Welcome to our channel Chitti, the future maker. In this channel, we provide information related jobs. Now we're gonna discuss about the openings for PHP developers, that too for freshers. Let's go in detail. The job description they have given that minimum of 0 to 2 years of experience needed for PHP and a strong knowledge of MySQL, MVC, Ajax, CSV are needed. You must worked on at least one end-to-end implementation of Joomla CMS, and you must worked on developing or integrating social media application, knowledge of other PHP open source softwares, proven experience in web related projects, and you should have excellent communication skills. You will be able to work on application programming or maintenance projects, and the role is software developer. Employee type is full-time and a permanent role. Educational qualification, any graduate in any specialization is qualified for this particular one. And a company we are looking for is a Value Keen Solutions Private Limited, and a location is Hyderabad. If you want to apply for this job, kindly look the description, which you have a link where you can apply for the job. Thank you for your time. Please do like, share, subscribe our channel Chitti, the future maker. For more interesting updates, please click the bell icon.